Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's makeup look is clearly, as you can see, Bo Peep from Toy Story. I'm doing this as part of my Toy Story series here on my channel, and I do actually have two versions of Bo Peep. This is one, and if you've seen the new Bo Peep you would know she's had a bit of a makeover. This is version 2. If you would like to see how I created this Bo Peep look, then please keep watching. So we're starting to look off by already having my foundation on, and I did glue out my brows. I didn't do this very well. When I actually filmed these, it was last summer and I just did not get around to editing them. But now, being in quarantine, I have all the time in the world to edit all my videos. So I have got better at blocking out my brows. This was one of the first times I've ever done it, so they do look a little patchy. But getting into the look, I used a black eyeliner pencil and I sketched out the eyes on my face. I then filled in the white section of the eyes with a white face paint by Snazaroo, and then I filled in the blue section of the eyes with the sky blue face paint by Snazaroo also. I then filled in the new lid that we're making, that is obviously going to be a lot higher than my natural lid, with a turquoise blue eyeshadow. I used a brown eyeshadow in the new crease that I've created. This brown is very warm, it's almost orange, it basically is an orange eyeshadow. So in future I would have used a lot more of a cooler tone brown in this section. Bo Peep has yellow brows, of course, because her hair is yellow. So I used a yellow Snazaroo face paint and started to paint on some eyebrows. I then got a black face paint and started to outline the eyes. I did these looks when the Bratz challenge was going around, so this is what my spin on the Bratz challenge was. I did a Toy Story version. So on the outside of the bottom of the eye, I painted some eyelashes. And then on the top lid, I painted some huge, big winged out eyelashes as well. Still using that black face paint, I started to paint the pupils and the eyes. And then I added some light blue texture, so some little lines in the blue section of the eye as well. I did add a little bit of glitter to the turquoise section of the eye as well, so it looked like I had a little bit of glitter on my eyeshadow. And then I added a lot of blusher to the apples of my cheeks and the end of my nose. I majorly overdrew my lips with a Primark lip pencil, and then I filled them in with a Barbie pink style liquid lipstick. I'm not going to tell you what liquid lipstick this is because I really do not recommend it. I got it and I would never wear it out. It is really horrible on the lips and does not last long at all, but when I'm doing looks like this where I'm only wearing them for maximum half an hour, they're perfect. With a white face paint I added a little bit of texture to my brows, and also I created these little shine marks on my lips as well. So this is the finished look, and for this version I've created this bonnet from the original Toy Story films, and of course her cane. Would you call this a cane or a staff? I'm not quite sure. And then for the second look I have a pink bow in my hair, and I have a bit of foil wrapped around the cane, and this is actually a walking stick, and I've just wrapped some tape and just created this little bit on the end of it and painted it blue. Let me know what you think of this makeup tutorial in the comments down below. If you do like it, make sure to press that like button, and if you do not want to miss any more of my Toy Story looks coming in this series, make sure you press the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!